Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. If you were watching my live stream on Gray Man Prepping on Tuesday, which was doing a prepper, indoor survival garden for preppers, prepper garden thing. Because hey, those are preppers out there. Hey, most preppers do not have a garden and aren't learning about gardening. They think, hey, I'm just going to plant my seeds. Anyways, one of the things we wound up talking about there was that in doing an indoor garden, one of the problems you may have, and most likely will have, is gnats and other flying insects that come in with the soil. And you can buy the best soil at the nursery or whatever else, and as soon as you bring it inside in the fall, gnats start coming out and other bugs. So I went and ordered something here, and so we're gonna have well, it's not an unboxing, it's an unbagging. So let's see what we get here. Okay, perfect, yes. And one of the things we were talking about, ways that control those gnats, is using these. Now, as you can see, I've been using them for a couple of years. I got these all over the place. Any place where gnats and flies and moths might congregate in the house. Like near the TV, for some reason, the light frequency of the TV just draws them to it. And so I got a couple of those over on my TV over there where I'm writing my novels. I'm using the TV as a big screen. And in my office, I got several in there as well. So we were going around and we spotted this. This was on sale. It was on a super sale. Unfortunately, it was only for Tuesday, but I'll still put the link down below because it may pop up again. Stuff like this, when it's on one of those deal things, pops up repeatedly. And so we'll talk about this. Now I'm not going to open this up right now, but I am going to grab something over here. Give me a second. Oh, it's some of the ones I've been using from the last batch I bought. And these things are really neat. There we go. Now you just stick it into the soil and peel the paper off, and it's really sticky. It also has, I'm not sure how well it's going to show there, a little punch out here. You can actually punch it out and hang it up and just cut this bottom piece off. Or you can do like I do over here. I take the scissors and I cut it off about there, so that much is left. Then I take some tape and stick it where I want it stuck. And the gnats, flies, moths, and every other little critter that gets in the house that flies or flits around, it's attracted to bright yellow, winds up on it. They're easy to use, and these things were so ridiculously cheap at the time. If you go back and look at the live stream when I'm popping up, or down in the comments below afterwards on the replay, several others were out there. I got mine ordered. It's in Kaylin's Grain, Hugo Homestead. I'm not sure if White Family Farm ordered them or not, but yeah, we're talking about it just boom. These things here were a real good deal. But I'll put the link down below again in the description, and that way you can go check it out. And if it's not on sale, go ahead and add it to a saved list. It's from Amazon. Just add it to a saved list and check on it, every now and then. But they'll probably pop up again on deals before Thanksgiving. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you, including bugs, because you can always do something about them. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, skills, and do an indoor garden. You'll be surprised what you can grow indoors. Take care.